Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's grow together. Brain is a complex organ that controls our emotions, thoughts, touch और भी बहुत कुछ. पर हम अभी बायोलॉजी क्लास में नहीं हैं, तो ये सारी चीजें हमारे काम की अभी नहीं है. सोचने वाली बात ये है कि ये ब्रेन काम कैसे करता है. So basically, brain sends and receives electrical and chemical signals to our whole body and orders it to do the desired task. जिसकी वजह से ये बैठ जाता है हमारे सिर पे और एक राजा की तरह देता है ऑर्डर. अब हमें जो मानना है या हमें जो सीखना है वो ये है कि हम ऑर्डर्स माइंड से लें या फिर ब्रेन से. Oh no. Is there a difference between mind and brain? Yeah, my friend. Brain and mind are two completely different things. If you will go and search on Google, you will get we can touch our brain while we cannot touch our mind. क्या ये बहुत है समझने के लिए माइंड और ब्रेन का डिफरेंस? नहीं. I am not satisfied with this difference कि we can touch it or we can't touch it. So if you will ask me, I'll tell you कि brain तो एक dead body के पास भी होता है, पर I guess mind नहीं होता. अगर हम एक कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में बात करें तो our brain will act like a hardware, while our mind will be its software. Our mind is a set of faculties responsible for mental phenomena like emotions, desire, intentions and everything. अब सब कुछ तो अपने काम का ये माइंड कंट्रोल कर रहा है, फिर हमने ये ब्रेन को क्यों गद्दी पे बिठा रखा. So today let's change the driver of our car. Let's switch it by mind from brain. पर हाँ, नो, इसको सारा कंट्रोल नहीं देना है. अगर इसको सारा कंट्रोल दिया ये तो हमें बर्बाद कर देगा. आप सब ने वो अलादीन वाली स्टोरी तो सुनी ही होगी. हाँ, मतलब सुनी ही होगी. When अलादीन rubbed that चिराग, उसमें से जिन निकलता है और निकलते ही सबसे पहले क्या कहता है? वो कहता है जो हुक्म मेरे आका. Your wish is my command. Now that blue creature is so powerful, but the irony is वो ऑर्डर किसके फॉलो करता है? The person who controls it और the person जिसने उस चिराग को रब करके उस जिन को बाहर निकाला होगा. That's the point, my friends. Your mind is not less powerful as that jinn. But condition is you have to take the control of that. जो वो तुरंत बोले your wish is my command. Our brain is divided into three parts: conscious, subconscious and unconscious mind. Our unconscious mind is the creator of dreams which works while we are sleeping. मतलब जब हमारी आंखें बंद होती हैं, पर हमें काम है with the open eyes. So for us the brain has only two parts: conscious and subconscious mind. Our conscious mind is the part of mind which we are aware with. When someone refers to as my mind in any conversation, they are talking about their conscious mind, not their subconscious mind. It can easily be manipulated. बेचारा बहुत भोला है. It works with logical reasoning and fact. An interesting fact I'll tell you. When a newborn baby is born, they don't have a conscious mind. Yeah, they only have subconscious mind. But with the span of time, they develops their conscious mind. Our subconscious mind is very powerful and it records everything. You most probably would have seen in a movie when a psychiatrist hypnotizes a patient. What they are basically doing? They are transferring the person from their conscious mind to subconscious mind. Because our subconscious mind contains everything. Whatever we see, it is stored in our subconscious mind. And when I say it is very powerful, I literally mean it, because it is 30,000 times more powerful than our conscious mind. It takes everything literally. Not like our conscious mind कि हर बात पे एक question mark. Let's suppose if someone wants to go to an international trip or to anywhere, then our subconscious mind will be like, okay, done. But our conscious mind will be like, there will be lot of questions for him. कि अगर किसी के पास पैसे की कमी है, then the question will be, तेरे पास पैसा है? पहले पैसा कमा फिर जाना. किसी के पास पैसा तो है पर टाइम नहीं है, then the question or the issue will arise, टाइम है अभी, so let's drop it. और subconscious mind does not work on logic. वो लॉजिकल काम नहीं करता. It works on emotions and feelings. You know, our subconscious mind controls 95% of our life. और हमें पता भी नहीं है. So we'll talk about all the aspects and important points, topics about subconscious mind in my upcoming videos. Till then, keep learning, keep walking and keep growing. Bye bye.